OSHA was forced last week to come out and suspend the vaccine mandate that the Biden administration had been pushing for companies with more than 100 employees. And the reason they had to suspend this is because of a court ruling from the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals that basically put an immediate injunction on this and prevented the implementation until a further court ruling. So this is not a permanent, killing this measure. It is, however, giving the people suing to stop the mandate more time to come up with better legal arguments. The government can't put this thing in place until the courts actually rule on it. So it is what it is. However, as I said, it's already at the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. It's not a far way from there to the U.S. Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has already upheld several vaccine mandates, for industries in this country just this year. So I don't see how, even with this conservative court, they would end up striking down the Biden administration's vaccine mandate. Nor should they. We just came off a period where COVID cases were going down. This week, we have seen a 22% increase in new COVID cases. Coming up in just a couple days, folks, is Thanksgiving. We have holiday. We have travel. People are taking vacations. They're going to see family members that they likely didn't get to see last year because of the pandemic. COVID cases are going to rise. That's a given. Then, of course, we've got more holiday travel coming up with Christmas time and other holidays right around the corner after Thanksgiving. It's sports season. We're watching football games on the weekend and seeing 80 to 90,000 people crammed into those packed arenas. Cases are going back up. We need these vaccine mandates. And contrary to what these anti-vaxxers are out there claiming, we have not seen 17,000 people die from taking the vaccine. That is simply not true. That is a bastardization and a misreading of what is available on the reporting website run by the federal government. And of course, that reporting site is not monitored. I could go in there right now and type out, "I took the vaccine, then I died." And people like these anti-vaxxers would go out there and count that as a death, even if I phrased it exactly the way I just said. That's how ridiculous they are with their arguments. The vaccines are safe. And if you want evidence of that, go look at other human beings. We have more than half of this country right now fully vaccinated. Are we seeing mass death? Are we seeing mass injury? No, we're not. We are absolutely not. The vaccines are safe. The mandates are necessary if we ever want to pull ourselves out of this pandemic. And at this point, I'm starting to think that the anti-vaxxers like living in fear of a virus while the rest of us just want to get through this, get on with our normal lives again, and maybe have a chance to just be normal. That's what we're trying to get back to. Normal. But the anti-vaxxers and the people filing these lawsuits challenging the mandates, they're the ones preventing us from hitting that normal again. If you can't get enough Ring of Fire, we encourage everyone to subscribe to our channel for fresh video content 7 days a week. And for even more from me, you can follow me on all social media outlets, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram @FairandBalanced.